chocolate milk.
Enjoy.
Thank you. And Lay's. Oh, I haven't told them you're sick. Hi guys. Oh, that's nice and fogged up. Should be alright. So, like I said at the rambly beginning bit of this video where we were on the plane, we are in the Philippines. So we are in El Nido now. We flew into Puerto Princesa yesterday during the day, and then we got a bus up here. So yeah, Emily wasn't very well last night, but look at her little puffy face now. And we are staying in Friends Hostel, which I'm gonna make a whole video about this hostel. As
like not like a hostel. Really.
No, like I don't feel like a backpacker anymore.
Me and Ellen always seem to find ourselves in hostels that don't feel like hostels.
No. This is
the hostel in Hanoi.
Yeah.
That was not.
It wasn't a hostel.
It
It was really nice. But then this is quite expensive for a in terms of what we've been paying. About 4 times as much as what we've been paying normally.
For 4 nights, I just transferred Ellen like £67.
Yeah.
For 4 nights.
And that was, we paid a deposit as well.
And we paid a deposit.
It's £18 a night to stay here, but I'm going to mention that in the Friends video. This is my first impressions of El Nido video, and then I'm going to do a video about Friends as well. So yeah, something exciting to tell you. It's not just me and Emily anymore in the Philippines. We are meeting 5 of our friends here, so we've got 5 more of us here now. They've all just arrived and they're all just getting showers. 3 of them have arrived. We've got 2 coming later, and they're just getting showers. And then we're going to go up to the hotel pool, I think, which opens at 9, but the beach is literally just down there as well, so I'm assuming, not down there, down over there, there. So I'm assuming we're going to take a walk there today, maybe get like a beach lunch.
Lunch sunset there or something, because Ellen, Laura and Joe turn up at 2.
Sunset on the beach. So yeah, like I said a couple of times, this video is going to be a first impressions of El Nido, Philippines. So I'm just going to do like a day video, and then I'm going to do a review of this hostel as well, which is going to be a separate video. And yeah, and then I'm, fingers crossed, if we can talk to the girls about it, going to book onto a boat trip tomorrow, and obviously going to vlog that as well. So I'm feeling there's going to be a lot of content from the Philippines, which is very exciting because I need it all for when I get home. Yeah. And people forget about me because I'm not travelling anymore.
Yeah. When we don't have any interesting stories to tell anyway.
It's just a weekly vlog from us at home in London, which you'll enjoy too, obviously, because you love us. Us. And obviously I am going to do loads of round up travel content as well, like our favourite places. Our Thailand one. I've already got the intro made for it, so we're just going to make it when we get home.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel like
it's just a round up of the trip one instead.
Yeah, because I'm still writing the blog post, which is what everything they should do, so it's going to all go together. And we're going to I've got a whole bunch of video ideas basically that I'm going to need you for.
Okay.
You're a YouTuber now.
I'm a YouTuber.
I'll start paying you in trips.
So well.
Oh yeah, because that question keeps coming up a lot of, do we argue? No, we don't. We actually...
I was like not well yesterday. I felt so shit.
Yeah.
And I feel like I snapped at Ellen so many times, and she goes, it's alright,
yeah. If you're feeling like, obviously we feel shitty and stuff when we're together. We spend 24/7 for the past like basically 4 months together. But there's gonna be times when you feel shitty. But
that's what your sister said.
Yeah.
And then Laura texted me last night. She was like, how are you? And I was like, Ellen's been an absolute angel. She was like, she's very good in a crisis situation. I was like, she was very good.
Yeah. You've got it. And like when you already suffer a court, you've got to look after each other.
The tables turn when you're sick, and I'm like, babe, just lay down, like chill out. We don't have to do anything. Even though yes, we had to.
You had to, yeah. Yeah, Emily picked a really shit day to be sick. Also, I'll tell you this when we're off camera, but yeah, so I'm going to show you around El Nido, and now we're going to...
Oh, what's she going to tell me?
It's nothing bad. Right, I'll talk to you in a bit. Bye guys. It's not interesting enough for the vlog. So we've just looked at the tours, and we've been recommended tour A or tour C, which I think I just showed, but they are 1,200 pesos each, which is about, I think about £20 for the tours. So yeah, and you can book them through the hostel, but we might do some shopping around and see if there's any for lunch in El Nido now. We've just spent like a couple of hours at the pool. I already think I'm a little bit burnt. The sun is strong, and if you've been following us, I haven't been in it for a while, so don't think it matters. I think the beach is literally right there, and we're deciding yeah, where to go for lunch, but I think we're just gonna have a wander around and find anywhere really. We are literally like, the beach is just behind these buildings here, so just finding anywhere to go for lunch. Be quite nice somewhere we can see the water, but I think we're gonna do a sunset dinner probably, so obviously gonna take you guys with me for that. But this street is so cute. It's literally just like the street along the beach next to our hostel. Really cute, full of like bikes, places to eat, and it just feels really vibey so far, which is super awesome. I'm gonna flip you around and show you around. Those things are called trikes, and they're basically what you get for transport around here. Haggle with them. Girls en route, found the way to the beach. Whoa. We're at the beach. Oh, it's so beautiful. Hey, little guy. Hey. You're a cutie pie, aren't you? I haven't got anything for you, I just wanted to say hi. So we found somewhere to eat on the beach. My camera's not finding my face at all because it's too shady in here. Found somewhere to eat on the beach. Beach is just out there. Yeah, let's get in some lunch. We've just literally just walked onto the beach and just walked along and just picked somewhere. I don't really have anything to tell you about it. Looks good.
On my trip to the Isle of Wight.
And look, ready?
Why is that so fascinating? It goes too fast, let me do it again.
It looks good on camera.
Did it?
Yeah. Your nails also look great.
In 1971, it was a Filipino inventor who holds the machine's patent.
There you go.
How are you?
So we're having dinner in our hostel now. I am going to talk about how the food is and everything in the actual hostel video, so that'll be later. But it was also happy hour, so if you're in El Nido, you can still do the happy hour at Friends, which is from 6 till 9, and there's a whole bunch of cocktails, which are buy one get one free, including the frozen margarita, which looks delish.
Oh, 4 hours of vlog, it's just you sipping on your Coke.
Oh, I hate that I know that there's clothes shops. I'm like, that dress is beautiful. Hi guys, so it's day 2 of El Nido now, and we're just checking out El Nido nightlife, and we've just been for dinner at this really great Thai place randomly. What was the Thai place called?
Big Bad Thai.
Big Bad Thai.
Big Bad Thai.
So it was really, really good. We went on a trip, boat trip today, which is again a whole other video that I'm not even going to talk about it now, but you're 5 out of 10. Yeah, you're gonna need to watch that video because it's dramatic, and I feel like subscribe because it will be out after this, but you need to watch it because it was a lot. But yeah, we're just having a wander around, checking out El Nido, and seeing what's going on nightlife wise. We just had dinner in our hostel last night, which was really good. The food was really good. And now we're gonna go find somewhere to have some drinks. Hello, little poopy. Oh my god, it's so soft.
Right? So fluffy, I want to die. This is it.
Hello. Hello.
They call me some chick neck. No, I'm sorry, I'm not a chick yet.
Morning, guys. Good, thank you. So it is now our 3rd day in El Nido. So this didn't actually turn out to be 24 hours in El Nido. It's just little clips of El Nido, and we are heading out for some breakfast. So we decided, we've had breakfast in our hotel for the past few days, but it's actually really delicious. But we thought we'd head out and do something different today. So we're just wandering down like the main street, going to find somewhere for breakfast, which is nice. I'm not sure what we're going for or anything. We're just going to see if we can find something that we all fancy. see.
That fits 7 of us.
And that fits 7 of us, yeah, which is always a task as well. And then I think we're having either a pool or beach day today to chill out after yesterday's craziness. I'm feeling a little bit achy. So yeah, and we also need to check ferries to Gron and that kind of thing as well. So bit of a like planning day / chilling and eating day basically. So yeah, I will take you, and it's such a beautiful day today, which is lovely because we had like a few kind of cloudy days. So yeah, it's really beautiful today. And it is, El Nido is just such a beautiful place as well. Like I can't stress that enough. It's gorgeous. Hi guys, so I'm currently lying on a beach in Port Barton, but I realised I needed to film an outro for basically all the videos I filmed whilst I was here in the Philippines. So I'm going to start with my El Nido one. So that was my first impressions of El Nido. I really hope you enjoyed watching it and hope you enjoyed seeing what we got up to and stuff. I really enjoyed El Nido. It was really cool place. A bit like crazy in terms of like the tours and stuff. Like obviously it's going to be another video. We didn't have the best time on the tour, but you'll see that in the next video. So that was a bit crazy, but the actual town itself is cute. The beaches that are like further away from where we stayed are really nice as well. The beach near where we stayed at Friends you can't actually swim at, but the other beaches really lovely. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video guys. Please subscribe to stay updated with future videos and like and all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.